Amid a broader downturn across the cryptocurrency market, XRP has come under renewed selling pressure this week. The token has declined nearly 15% over the past 7 days, sliding from recent highs to the $1.53 to $1.60 price zone. While the drop has raised concerns among short-term traders, some market analysts believe XRP may be approaching a critical technical inflection point. According to veteran trader CasiTrades, XRP is currently testing a key Fibonacci support level known as the golden pocket, an area often associated with potential short-term rebounds. In today's report, we take a closer look at XRP's recent price action, the technical structure behind the move, key resistance levels ahead, and what traders should realistically expect in the days ahead. Broader crypto market context. Before focusing on XRP specifically, it's important to understand the broader market environment. Over the past week, the cryptocurrency market has experienced increased volatility as risk appetite weakened. Bitcoin and Ethereum both posted notable losses, dragging down most major altcoins. Market sentiment shifted from optimism to caution as traders reacted to cooling momentum after January's strong rally, profit-taking across large-cap cryptocurrencies, reduced short-term liquidity in derivatives markets. This environment created conditions where even fundamentally strong assets were vulnerable to pullbacks, and XRP was no exception. XRP's strong start to 2026. XRP entered 2026 on a notably bullish footing. In early January, the token surged nearly 30%, reaching a local high of around $2.41. This rally was fueled by a combination of factors including growing expectations of regulatory clarity for Ripple renewed optimism around potential XRP ETF approvals, increased institutional interest, and steady capital inflows. At the time, sentiment around XRP was among the strongest in the altcoin market, with many traders expecting a sustained move above the $2 level. Momentum fades and profit-taking begins. However, the bullish momentum did not last. As price approached resistance near the mid-$2 range, buying pressure began to weaken. Early investors who entered during lower price levels started locking in profits. This triggered a broader sell-off, which was further amplified by declining market confidence. Once XRP lost the psychological $2 support, selling pressure accelerated. The breakdown encouraged short-term traders to exit positions, pushing price lower over several sessions. XRP falls to $1.53. Signs of stabilization. By midweek, XRP reached an intraday low near $1.53. Despite the sharp decline, price action began to show early stabilization signs. Selling volume gradually decreased, and XRP started trading in a tighter range between $1.55 and $1.60. This consolidation caught the attention of technical analysts, including CasiTrades, who highlighted the importance of this zone from a Fibonacci and Elliott Wave perspective. What is the golden pocket? The golden pocket is a widely used technical concept derived from Fibonacci retracement levels. It typically refers to the area between the 0.618 and 0.65 retracement, which historically acts as strong support or resistance in trending markets. According to CasiTrades' analysis, XRP's recent decline landed directly within this golden pocket support zone, increasing the probability of a short-term reaction bounce. This does not guarantee a trend reversal, but it does suggest that downside momentum may be temporarily exhausted. Elliott Wave structure. Behind XRP's drop, CasiTrades also analyzed XRP's price movement through the lens of Elliott Wave theory. Her chart suggests that XRP completed a Wave 3 downside move, with Wave 3 terminating around the 1.55 to 1.60 range. Wave 3 is typically the strongest and most impulsive wave in a trend, and its completion often leads to a corrective move. With Wave 3 potentially complete, traders are now watching for a Wave 4 relief rally. Importantly, earlier in the cycle, Wave 2 was relatively shallow. In Elliott Wave theory, when Wave 2 is shallow, Wave 4 often becomes deeper. This increases the possibility of a more extended short-term rebound. Key resistance levels to watch. While support appears to be holding for now, XRP faces several important resistance zones on any upward move. $1.78 resistance. The first key level is around $1.78, which aligns with the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. This level could act as a short-term barrier where sellers may step back in. $1.93 resistance. If XRP manages to break above $1.78 with volume, the next area of interest is around $1.93, a previous reaction zone and technical resistance. $2.03, the critical level. The most important level highlighted by CasiTrades is $2.03, which represents the macro 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Why $2.03 matters so much? According to the analysis, XRP must reclaim and hold above $2.03 to meaningfully shift the current bearish structure. If price fails below this level, the broader downtrend remains intact, and the risk of another move toward $1.55 or lower stays on the table. However, a strong and sustained move above $2.03 would reduce the probability of another bearish wave, increase confidence in a broader recovery, open the door for a potential trend transition. CasiTrades also notes that such a move could cause the expected final bearish wave to fail, which would be a bullish technical development. Realistic expectations for traders. It's important to stay grounded. While a relief rally toward $1.93 to $2.03 is technically possible, this does not automatically signal the start of a new bull run. Market conditions remain fragile, and volume confirmation will be key. Traders should closely monitor price behavior near resistance levels, volume expansion or divergence. Broader market sentiment, especially Bitcoin's trend. To summarize, XRP is down nearly 15%. On the week, price is testing a golden pocket support zone. Technical structure suggests a possible Wave 4 relief rally. $2.03 remains the most critical level for trend confirmation. Whether this move becomes a meaningful recovery or just a temporary bounce will depend on how XRP reacts to resistance in the coming sessions. For now, the market appears to be at a decision point, with both bulls and bears watching closely.